Hello guys, in this video I will show you a quick step-by-step guide on how to work with futures on the Binance exchange with your phone. I will tell everything you need to know in the simplest possible terms. So first you need to go to your profile and select a Binance Pro account so you can trade derivatives. Also make sure you are verified because you need to pass KYC in order to trade futures. Great, now you have a futures button at the bottom, click on it. Here you are asked to choose your default leverage. I advise you to choose 5x, but in general it doesn't matter, so click on Confirm. Great, now you need to transfer funds to a futures account. Go to your wallet in the spot trading section and click Transfer. Here you choose where you want to transfer money and in what cryptocurrency. I press the button and choose USDT. When I enter the amount I want to transfer and press at cross margin and choose USDM futures. USDM futures is trading mode for stablecoins, in other words for dollar, and CoinM futures is for other cryptocurrencies, so we choose USDM futures and transfer our money there. Okay, now we can go to futures section in our wallet and see our balance. As you can see, I have a long position here with 15x leverage and 256% PNL, so I started with $100 and I can already claim $241 in just 2 weeks. And my profit could be even bigger, because it's not 15x leverage actually, but only 10x. Anyways, let's look what we have here. First of all, we can see our assets right here. This is cryptocurrency you have transferred here. Also, you can switch between USDM and CoinM futures accounts at any time. Now let's click at the futures button at the bottom. Here we can open and close our positions or change its parameters. At the most top we have cross button, which is the margin mode. In simple terms, cross mode will use all funds of your account to enter the position, and isolated mode will use only part of your balance to open a position, which you can regulate. Right next to the margin mode is the leverage. The leverage is a multiplier for your position. So if you have $100 and open a $100 position with 10x leverage, Binance will provide you with funds and your position will be $1000, which will greatly accelerate your earnings, but also greatly accelerate your losses. A little to the right we can see two buttons, buy and sell. They are responsible for the direction of our position. So when we buy, we are on the long side and bet that the price will go up. And when we sell, we are on the short side, so we hope that the price will go down. Just below is the button for placing an order. Here you can choose how you want to enter the position. But of all these options, I only use limit order and market order. A market order allows you to enter a position instantly at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set the desired price at which you want to enter a position. When you select a limit order, you can enter a percentage of your balance by which you want to enter the position. You can do this either in USDT or Bitcoin if you have it, but I find USDT much more convenient. You can also just write down the amount you want to put in a position, which is very useful. There are two boxes below, take profit and stop loss. For them to appear, you have to click on this checkbox. In these fields, you can write the values at which your position will close at a loss or a profit. That way, if you go long, you can set a take profit higher than the price you entered, and when the price reaches this take profit level, your position will close in profit. In this case, your stop loss is set lower than the price you entered. The same, but in reverse, works for short positions as well, meaning that when you open a short position, your take profit should be set below the entry price, and your stop loss should be set higher. Take profit as well as stop loss do not necessarily need to be set, and they can be changed at any time after you have set them. Just below is the open orders button. When you click on it, you will see limit order that you have created. At the very bottom are our open positions. All information about our position is displayed here. On the left we see our profit in dollars, and on the right in percentages. At the same time, the value on the left is the profit, not the position size, because the position size is displayed in the middle. Very important is the bottom right value, which reflects the liquidation price. If this value is reached, our position will be forcibly closed by the exchange, and we will lose all money that was invested in this position. Therefore, it is very important to put a stop loss in order to lose much less money, in case the price goes strongly against our direction. So we figured out how to use Binance Futures, but how do we trade properly in order to earn and not to lose our money? Of course, you can guess the direction of a price, but that way you will lose all your money sooner or later. That is why I analyze Bitcoin price chart and enter all my positions on the basis of clear tech analysis, in order not to just play a guessing game. To do this, I use the free TradingView app, which has a huge amount of tech analysis tools. You can open a Bitcoin chart and from the past history you can find patterns on the chart, so you can make successful trades. You can do this with the app on your phone, but I feel much more comfortable using the app on my PC. But even with the mobile app you can do successful analysis, because it has the full functionality of the PC version. However, tech analysis itself is a completely separate topic, so if you want me to record a separate video where I go through all the details of the analysis, write about it in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you won't miss useful videos on cryptocurrencies. Links to all applications are in the description. Thank you for watching and I see you very soon.